Nvidia had a great earnings call this afternoon, about 4 o'clock Eastern. Uh, they beat on earnings per share over 6.6%. Also for Q2, the earnings beat was over 4.40%. So earnings per share beat 6.16% and revenue beat at 4.40%. So after hours, the share price surged over 4% after great news from the CEO, Jensen Huang. Shares surging up over $213 per share after hours. Again, it closed at 213 and rose to as high as $220 per share. So again, exciting day for Nvidia shareholders like myself. Um, you know, sparking the AI rally again with Jensen Huang. All right, so let's go CNBC. Okay, Nvidia's earnings takeaway. Jason Wong forecasts 70% fiscal 2028 growth, far above estimates by Wall Street analysts. Goes on further to say the top Nvidia reported better than expected fiscal Q2 results issued by top estimates. The stock jumped over 4% after the company forecasting a 70% growth. Again, earnings per share was expected was $2.10, but they actually went up $2.22. And then revenue guided estimate was 92.17 billion, where actual revenue coming in was 96.22 billion. Nvidia sits at the center of the artificial intelligence world and has grown fiercely on the backs of the AI boom. And they're forecasting that it would go higher even without the hyperscalers. Okay, so the exciting thing is that Jason Wong is forecasting 70% growth, and that's not just the hyperscale. Half of that is new up and comers. After hours, we also did see shares of other AI companies pop. So after hours, we had shares of Marvel Technologies surge over 4.39% after hours. And don't forget, tomorrow, Q2 earnings will happen for Marvel Technology. So after hours, well, not after hours, but at 1:45 Eastern, Marvel Technologies will report revenue for the quarter. So this stock popped after hours today, over 4% after a great earnings call from Nvidia. Now this stock may go higher. Okay, it's currently looks like it's trading right around 250 something, $255 per share, even before the earnings call. So let's see what happens. Let's see if they beat Wall Street estimates tomorrow afternoon and see if shares go higher after the earnings call for Marvel Technologies. And again, we saw several stocks pop. Let's go over to my portfolio real quick. Okay, as mentioned, we did have Marvel Technology share surge today over 6.45% after hours after Nvidia reported. Shares of Nvidia surged over 3% after the great earnings call and after hours. Also, we had Advanced Micro Devices all day surge over 1%. And we had Okta also reported Okta, a software company, identity software surged over 24% after hours, as well as SanDisk shares surging over 5%, and Western Digital surging over 7.49%. Again, after NVIDIA's great earnings call, talking about empowering the next leg of the AI race. And he stated it would not just be powered by hyperscalers like Google and Amazon and Microsoft, but it would be, you know, other new up and comers funding these data centers, new cloud players, new startups looking to do several applications of artificial intelligence. All right. So again, shares of Nvidia popped today over 3% after hours, igniting other AI companies, CoreWeave, uh, again, SanDisk and Western Digital over 7.49%. And again, Marvel Technologies, they may pop again on tomorrow after their earnings call. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and I hope to see you on another video.